Well, police lieutenants from Manchester and Nashua testified today, saying that they're often getting critical information too late, and it can affect their investigation as well as a child's safety.
They do a lot of things well. So coming here and bashing DCYF is certainly not our intent. But there are some things, some of them statutory, that need to be changed so that they can do their job better, and so that we can work with them better.
One of the biggest concerns is with reporting suspected child abuse or neglect. Under state law, people who suspect it are mandated to notify DCYF.
It's a good statute, except that a lot of teachers, nurses, healthcare providers don't know that they're reporting to an agency that's not open on the weekends, on holidays, or after 5 o'clock.
Police say it causes them to find out late and creates a period of time where a child could be unsafe. The lieutenant using an example of a 17-year-old trafficking victim whose doctor reported an assault.
It took 5 days for us to get that report because it was a weekend, and then there was some delay because of it coming from the North Country, and then it took us a week to find that girl.
And police say there have been instances of delays during regular business hours as well, and there are challenges surrounding the sharing of files.
We had a homicide recently where we tried to get DCYF records and we were denied, and I had to go to grand jury.
This commission has released a preliminary report and is looking at crafting legislation, but Manchester's police chief says implementation of any changes will be directly related to the leadership at DCYF.
Whether or not there's a willingness at DCYF to change things, to make it more efficient for law enforcement, for the betterment of our children, I think that's important, but I don't know if that's the case.
Now, DCYF representatives today say that they are working on a scenario that would allow them to staff their offices on the weekends. Reporting live in the newsroom, Heather Hamill, WMUR News 9.